This short practice is like a reset button for the middle of your day. Use it anytime you feel tired, distracted, anxious, or stressed. Whether you're sitting, standing, or even walking, bring your attention to your feet. Notice the way they connect with the ground beneath you, effortlessly. Gravity does the work for you. It's a source of stability you have access to at all times. We tend to store tension in different places, so let's take a quick scan and see where you can soften in your body. From your feet, up your legs, to your hips and your pelvis, soften. Your belly, your chest, your shoulders and your neck, soften. Your hands and your fingers, soften. Your jaw and your cheeks, behind your eyes, between your eyebrows, and your forehead. Soften. Bring your attention to your breath. Where do you feel most connected to it? The rise and fall of your belly or chest, or the gentle coolness of air as it enters the nostrils? Take a moment to sense the full flow of your natural breath. We're going to now do a practice of lengthening the exhale. So we'll inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. On your next inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that again. In for 1, 2, 3, 4. Out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and take 2 more cycles of this breath on your own. Now return to your natural rhythm of breathing and expand your awareness out to your environment. Maybe you sense the temperature of the air on your skin or the sounds in the space around you. If your eyes are closed, I invite you to gently blink them open. Let your gaze wander until you find something in your environment you can connect with, something that feels nice to you, however you interpret that. A plant, a piece of artwork, the way the light comes through the window. Let yourself appreciate one thing in this moment for its simple beauty. In less than 5 minutes of pausing and reconnecting with your body and your surroundings, you created a different, more relaxed state of being. As the day continues, you might notice feeling less reactive, more focused, or more creative, more able to meet the challenges of life with flexibility. Know that you can return to this practice anytime you need a midday reset.